What's up, everybody? 2016 Toyota Corolla. It has a smart key, has a button start. That means it has a smart key. I am programming the smart key with the tech stream. It's pretty much the only way to program a key like this. Basically, yeah, you gotta have the tech stream software. So basically, hook your computer up. Got it hooked up. Okay. Now come to connect to vehicle right here. It'll take a second to connect. Make sure your power's on. You could have the engine running or just have it on accessories. Now it'll come to this menu, and on option go to with smart key, W/smart key. Without smart key would be like a regular key. Now go to next. A little more loading. Okay, so now these modules will pop up. Go to the one that says smart key. Go to that. Smart key, double click it. Let it load up. Lots of loading. Alright, so you might see a code up here. Just don't worry about that. If everything's working fine, don't even worry about that. We'll go here to utility. Okay, so there's different options. I'm going to use Smart Code Registration Classic. That pretty much just means Smart Key Registration. There's Smart Key Registration over here. I go to Classic because it just is the one I'm familiar with. And it's kind of just like a simplified version. So this wizard window will say, you know, confirm the following before you do this, that the ignition switch is on and smart cancel function is off. I don't know what smart cancel function is, but I haven't turned it on or off, so I'm not going to worry about that. Now I'll go to I am just registering keys. If you're doing things like you replace the ECU and your registering keys, and you'll mark this, or like the ID code box and any ECU stuff, then you'll mark these. But I'm just doing a key, keeping it simple. Okay, now it says you have 5 keys left you could register, and there's 2 currently registered to the car. If you run out, if it says 0 can be registered, then you got to do something called a reseed, and it has to be done at a dealership by a Toyota tech. Go ahead and hit next. Okay, it says touch the engine switch with a registered key. Make sure the emblem side is facing the ignition switch. This is the emblem side, so let's put it to the key. You'll hear it beep. Okay, and that's with your master key. Now it says touch the switch with a key to be registered. Make sure the emblem side is facing the ignition switch. So now you take your key to be programmed. The first one we did, we used the master key. Now we touch this one. Okay, listen, I heard the beep. Smart code checking. It says it was checked. Now we just press register. And remember to do these all in this time. This time remaining, you got only like 30 seconds each one. So we'll go to register. Okay, now it says that I have 3 keys and only 4 more can be registered. And then it says press exit to exit this function. Alright, and that's it. So now this will work. The wireless lock should work, and it should also start the car. So what I do is I will unplug this and turn the ignition off, and then hit my buttons. Okay, and you can hear the locks moving. This is my new key, and if it's doing the locks, then it's going to start the car too. So alright guys, if you have any issues with your new key, check the battery inside, make sure the battery's good, and yeah, hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated, and I will see you next video.